There we go. Good afternoon, anglers. Welcome back to another episode of Oh, There We Go Outdoors. Today we're going to be doing something a little different than previous couple videos. We're going fly fishing for king salmon. Salmon have been in the rivers and creeks now in Wisconsin for a little bit. So figured today we're going to give it a go. Ended up catching one yesterday, but unfortunately I didn't have the GoPro, so I took a picture with it with my camera after propping it up on the ground, which you can see right now. That was pretty cool, wasn't it? So we're back down here at this creek in Milwaukee County. Like I said, going for some king salmon on the fly. Got a Sage Motive 8-weight rod with a Lamson Micra 5 reel and an 8-9 size. We got an 8-weight line, weighted forward line. We're fishing an indicator, and then what I like to do is use a weighted egg dropper and egg suck and leech unweighted, so you actually have 2 flies in the water, and usually seems to work pretty good. They end up hitting the egg suck and leech more often than the weighted egg, but hey, catch them on both. So stay tuned. I'm sure we'll catch one or two, hopefully at least one we'll hook into, so you guys can see what a big fight they are. And stay tuned. Rain break. Had called for, the radar is really weird. It's got like a bunch of these little pocketed showers throughout the day, and it looks like the state of Wisconsin's a leopard with neon purple and green and red and yellow all over the state, like little tiny spots. So we're gonna hold out for this one to quit and get back at her. Yeah, he says he can't fish in the rain. He'll probably hook into a big one. Shall see. There's one right there. Position, makes his come back. There's 2 of them. Yeah. Oh, he's angry. She's angry. Right in the mouth. Come on. Right in the net. Oh, there we go. There we go. I would have liked to played that one a little bit more, but got stuck in the thing. You can see the eggs right there in the mouth. This big old buck. Chill, 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 chill. Calm down. Calm down. You're gonna ruin my net. Or hook me. Fuck. Hey. Relax. I'm trying to help you. Alright. Alright guys. Great Lakes king salmon. Big old male. There you go. There we go. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Shit. There we go. Oh boy. Oh, he's pissed. Ooh, that's a good one. Water. This king salmon on the fly. Big old Betty. Already got into a pool here, which is fine. Oh, there's another guy. Come here, bud. Ooh, you didn't like that. Jesus, that was close. Ugh. All right. No, don't go further down. Come on. Nope. Nope. Come on. Oh. Fuck. Oh well. Done broke me off, kid. So that's it for this episode of There We Go Outdoors. Went 1 for 3. We had lost those 2 towards the end there. I ended up getting 1 towards the beginning. Had a great time this afternoon. It's always a fun day, even though it was raining. We still made it happen. This won't be the last episode of fly fishing. I generally go fly fishing now, starting in October all through the end. So stay tuned for more. Hit that like button, subscribe for more content. Glad you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you later.